Welcome to our channel, Sea and Sky channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, activate the bell button to receive all new. We wish you an enjoyable viewing.
In this video, we will talk about the eruption of the Canary Islands volcano. The Cumbre Vieja volcano on the island of La Palma, one of the Canary Islands, continued to throw lava into the air, causing loud explosions this Thursday morning, while poisonous ash covered the surrounding area. Lava continued to flow at the foot of the volcano for the fifth day in a row, falling on homes, schools and farms, albeit at a slower speed than in previous days. Everything that started on Sunday as an out-of-the-box, a beautiful, fun sight, turned into a tragedy the next day, said Nancy, the owner of a jewelry store in the area. I have a lot of friends there. Families have lost all their possessions, she said. Our hearts are sore. The torrent of black lava has been slowly advancing westward since Sunday, burning everything it passes through. Banana farmers rushed near the town of Todoki to save what they could, and piled their trucks with bags of green bananas. The lava has destroyed more than 200 homes, and thousands of residents can no longer return to their homes. And the regional government in the Canary Islands said it will buy 2 housing projects that include 73 properties for those who have become homeless. And the real estate portal, Idealista, estimated that the volcano caused real estate losses worth about 87 million euros. Volcanologists said that the gases from the volcanic eruption are not harmful to health, but a column of thick cloud now extends about 4.2 kilometers into the air, which raises concerns about visibility for flights. The airport is still open, but the authorities have asked pilots to stay away from the site of the volcanic eruption. Winds are expected to push the cloud eastward in the coming hours over the rest of the Canary Islands, the Iberian Peninsula and the Mediterranean. According to the European Union's Copernicus Atmospheric Monitoring Agency. Information of the Canary Islands. The Canary Islands or the Canary Islands are the Isles of Happiness or an archipelago in the Atlantic Ocean close to the northwestern coast of Africa. The Canary Islands consist of 17 islands, some of which are major and the rest are small islands scattered around the main islands, and its main islands are Tenerife, Fuerteventura, Gran Canaria, Lanzarote or Palma. The main islands are islands of volcanic origin, and Tenerife includes Mount Teide, which is the third largest volcano in the world. A subtropical climate and sandy beaches that made it a destination for many tourists in addition to the excellent wine that these islands offer. The climate. The Canary Islands is characterized by hot weather all year round due to its subtropical climate. It is also mild and warm in winter and is visited by about 12 million visitors annually. Each of the main islands has its own unique and special charm, and its climatic diversity is accompanied by a diversity of plants, animals and birds. The best places to visit in the Canary Islands. The Canary Islands are closer to Africa than Europe, and the Spanish language is its local language and has its own character. These islands include many wonderful tourist places, including Teide National Park. It is located on the island of Tenerife in Spain and is one of the largest and oldest national parks, and it has been listed in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Timanfaya National Park. A huge park where you can walk, see the volcanic landscape, and enjoy its unique views. The beaches of Gran Canaria. Gran Canaria is one of the most beautiful islands in Spain and the third largest of the Canary Islands. And the beaches of Gran Canaria give you a great opportunity to enjoy its golden and sandy beaches and sunny climate. Beaches of Tenerife. Tenerife offers a lot of exciting things, as it contains resorts, towering mountains and clear beaches, where you can see the pyramids that consist of volcanic rocks, watch aquatic animals, as well as thrill experiences, surfing, water skiing, horse riding and diving. Top facts about the Canary Islands. Here are some interesting facts about the Canary Islands. The Canary Islands do not have one capital, but two official capitals, Santa Cruz de Tenerife and Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, which are located on the two largest islands together and are among the most important tourist ports during the tourist season, where Santa Cruz de Tenerife attracts more than 1 million people every February in its carnival, the most popular annual in the world. When thinking about the name of the Canary Islands, some believe that it was named after the canary bird, but in fact it is a word taken from the Latin, meaning the island of dogs, where legend says that the original inhabitants of the island used to worship dogs of large sizes that were widespread on these islands. And sometimes they mummified them and treat them as sacred animals, and it was the Romans who gave them this name. These islands are located off the northwest coast of Africa and consist of major islands and several small islands, all of which are of volcanic origin. Mount Teide, the third largest volcano in the world, is located on the island of Tenerife, the largest of the Spanish Canary Islands. Many of the world's most famous geological monuments make it a major tourist destination with 3 million visitors a year. The Canary Island is famous for its own sport, which is the most famous canary wrestling in these islands that came from the original inhabitants of the island, which is believed to have originated in the year 1420 and continues to this day with the development of its various methods, and has become part of the folklore of these islands. Traditional wrestling performances at local festivities or festivals. The food is part of the culture of the Canary Islands, which is famous for the strangest foods such as the mojo dish, which is a colorful sauce that may be red, orange or green depending on its ingredients. It is home to the world's largest and endangered turtle. The Canary Islands have many national parks and restaurants. It has water parks and natural swimming pools with wonderful architectural designs.
Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell button, and like the video.